2020 CR 7507, State of Texas versus Desiree Garza.
I have a question, Your Honor.
Yes, for the state defense parties announced for the record.
Andrew Harris, say it on the.
Michael DeLeon for Ms. Garza.
And are you Ms. Garza? Are you all ready to proceed on the motion?
We are, Judge.
Ms. Garza, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm sorry, not sign it, but did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Desiree Garza who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020 CR 7507 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance?
Yes, ma'am.
Penalty group 1, 4 grams to 200 grams on May 4th, 2021 for a period of 6 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
On or about the 19th day of January 2024 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant Desiree Garza did then and there illegally use a controlled substance, namely amphetamines, in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
State
waives the remaining violation allegations, Your Honor.
All right, everyone in the box, people in the box, attorneys in the box. Y'all need to move it down to that end because you're talking behind the court reporter and we're on the record. We're back on the record. Did you understand and state, are you waiving all other allegations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is,
Yes.
Your
Oh, please go ahead.
There is, Your Honor, to recommendation to alter and amend conditions for M8I supervision, dual diagnosis outpatient program, weekly reporting for 60 days, and monthly UAs for the duration of probation.
I would add to deny the motion, Your Honor.
Okay. Any objection to the court reviewing the court summary?
No objection, Judge.
All right, was she ever sent to safety? So,
According to the court summary, yes, Your Honor. From February 14th of 2023 to August 9th of 2023, with residential aftercare from August 9th to October 8th.
Both of those successfully completed.
all right, so here's the thing. Honestly, don't think you're a good candidate for probation because you've been here before for a motion to revoke. You know yourself better than I know yourself. I'm sorry, you know yourself better than I do. So I'm going to give you a choice. Normally, I can't give people choices. I can revoke you. I'll sentence you to 5 years in the prison. You're looking at 20. I'll sentence you to 5. Or I can continue you. And if I continue you, you're going back to Safe P relapse program. Those are your choices. But you're not going to outpatient treatment. I don't think outpatient treatment is appropriate. So those are your 2 choices. Council, do y'all want to talk about it and come back after the break?
I think we have an answer, Judge.
All right, what is the answer?
Judge, just to clarify that, FP after, what'd you call it?
Relapse.
Relapse? Is it 120 to 180 days?
It's probably going to be longer.
That'd be longer. Okay.
It was 4 months relapse.
Yeah, I don't know if it was 4 months or not. All depends.
So here's your two choices. One, you're going to safe P relapse, or either you're going to prison for 5 years. Which do you prefer?
Up to you.
You know yourself better than I do, better than probation does, better than your attorney does. Either you think you can successfully complete this or you don't. Based upon the fact that you've been here before for not following through, it appears that you do your best work when you're in lockdown situations. For example, when you're at the safe P, you did well. My understanding, you successfully completed. But then when you get to the real world, you just go back to the same ways of thinking. So that's up to you. So 5 years or either safe P relapse, which do you prefer?
Do the safety.
All right, court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include the safe P relapse program. And there's to be partial GPS upon release. And that will be for employment and probation classes. And that's until further notice. All right, is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? Yes. All right, and MIC. Anything else?
No, Judge.
All right, thank you.